Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Chef Sahera here. And in today's video, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to make candy yams. Of course, these candy yams are perfect for the holidays. However, feel free to make them for any Sunday dinner or any time of the week. So here I'm starting with some large sweet potatoes / yams. And I have washed and peeled them. And now I'm just cutting them into more of a cube shape as opposed to the rounds. If I had a smaller potato, I would definitely cut them as rounds. But I'm going to give a nice cube. You don't want your pieces to be too small because as they cook down, they will turn into mush. So once all my yams are cut up, I'm going to boil them. This is just going to give me a head start. So I let them boil for maybe 10 to 15 minutes. I do not want them to be fork tender. Again, this speeds up the process. I know that a lot of people just put them straight in the oven. So once they have boiled, I'm going to drain them and put them in my pan. And this is where I find I make mine different. I make a sugar mixture. I have some white sugar, some brown sugar. I'm going to add a little nutmeg as well as my cinnamon. And a little bit of salt. That salt is going to balance out the sweetness. And I'm going to combine that. And I'm just going to spoon that over my yams. Now you can take this mixture and melt it down on the stove. For me, I didn't love that process. For years, this is how I've been making it. I mean, my candy yams are requested, so I'm going to go with what I know. I have seen a lot of people make it on the stove and kind of make a syrup, but I still wanted to have that nice sweet potato taste. I want to taste that. I do not want it just a sugary mess. So I add just a little water, even though the yams will release a lot of their own liquid. And then I'm just going to dot the pan with some butter. I'm going to add a little vanilla flavor. It's not shown here, but 9 times out of 10, I will add some fresh lemon juice with a splash of lemon extract. For the holidays to be cute, I'll even add a zest of lemon zest or some orange zest, as well as a splash of orange juice. So now I'm going to set this in my preheated oven at 375 for about 30 to 40 minutes. Here, if you feel like your yams have released too much water, I just drained some of the liquid off. Not all of it, because I still want it to have that syrup. And as you know, yams taste better the next day. So all the flavors set in. So you definitely want to keep some of the juice. After about 30 minutes, depending on how tender your yams are, I'm just going to re-sprinkle, if that's a word. I'm going to add more sugar to my candy yams, and I taste it at this point also. So you definitely want to taste it. Once you taste it and you feel like it needs more cinnamon, nutmeg, add it directly to your sugar. You may even want to add some more butter, but it's all to your taste. And I'm going to put this back in the oven, uncover it for about another 30 minutes or so. And again, taste it. And I like to have that little crunchy edge to it. So sometimes I put it back in the oven. Or if I feel like they're tender enough, I'll just stick it in a broiler just to crisp up the tops. And that's it. That's how easy it is to make my candied yams. If you have any questions about this recipe, let me know in the comments. How do you melt down your sugar and butter on the stove and create your own syrup? Let me know how you make yours in the comments. As always, guys, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out when I upload another video. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.